Good evening, traders, and welcome back to TradesFX. It's Wednesday, the 10th of April, 2024, and the time is 18 minutes to 9 p.m. UK time. Traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great week. Hope you're enjoying the content now that you're seeing on a more regular basis that I'm putting out on this channel. If you are enjoying it, traders, come across and subscribe, leave a comment and press on the bell icon just so that you get videos as I post them. So talking about the content, talking about the quality, hope you've been enjoying it, traders. Hope you've been enjoying some of the live trades, but unfortunately, we have losers too, or I have losers too. Let's take a look at it, trade. Let's go across into the market and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm here on the daily chart of the weekly chart, sorry, of the USD Swiss franc. And if you remember from the previous videos, I told you that I was bearish this market. And at the moment, I still am. Okay, I've taken 2 losses in this pair. So 1% of the account taken in this pair. Okay, and that's why it's important that when you're trading, you're setting your target that is bigger, your losses are bigger or smaller than your wins. Okay, that's a crux of the matter with trading. Now, why am I still bullish? Well, the technical pattern is showing me at the moment that we should still be bullish. The sentiment to me is longer term bullish, and really it could just be that my timing's off. Now, look, you've sat here and listened to me talk about these 2 trades, convincingly talking about why I should have got short. Okay, and on both occasions, as you can see, one here and one here, I've been bombed out. But there are still compelling reasons as to why this market could and may well turn. Let me just show you what I mean. Okay, first things first, I'm going to show you some Fibonacci, which I think I've already showed you. So let's just get into that. Let's just take a fib retracement of this major swing here. Okay, and I'm just, although price is down here, okay, I'm going to lead you to where price was, which is here. Okay, now this is still this swing up here is still a 32 retracement, 32% retracement of this down leg. This is still an important level, traders. It really, really is. Now, if I remove that, okay, and I just look at the fact that we're here on a weekly chart, you've got these negative bars at this level, okay, and you've also got some resistance, more weekly resistance at that level. In fact, what I can do now is I can move this level up here, okay, because this is also weekly resistance. You have that Fibonacci retracement. You have now that Fibonacci, that weekly level of resistance. Is there anything on the daily chart? Let me just have a look. Nothing really on the daily charts as I look at it. And is there anything else? Let's just take a fib extension or expansion of that level. Well, the 127, no, it's down here where price was, and that was one of the reasons I sold yesterday, if you remember. Okay, I was wrong, my timing was off. Is there anything else? Let's just have a look. Let me just go down to this low. Let me turn that into a 1618, which is also something. No, there's nothing there. Nothing there. Is there anything here? Okay, well, there's a little zone in there, isn't there? There's a little zone with the 1618 and the resistance in that level there, isn't there? Okay, so I've taken a loss. That's trading. I've got to take my licks, and that's it. It is what it is. But don't, at the moment, this trade is still bearish for me. The trend is still down, although this is a strong uptrend, and there is quite a possibility that this, oops a daisy, I didn't mean to do that, that this, this uptrend here, this weekly uptrend, could breach this level here. Now, if it breaches this level, that for me is going to be a change of character to the sequence of lower lows and lower highs in this market, and that to me could be a potential for a positive or a bullish rotation. Okay, however, I don't think so yet. I think this is still intact. Well, it is still intact. And I do believe that we could still get some patterns up at this level. So I'm going to, the other thing that I wanted to show you. Okay, just look at, if you look at the volume here, okay, this is another reason why I think this level may be significant, is that if you look at this big bar here, okay, look at this big bar, and if you look at the volume in this bar, this volume down here is the volume for this big bar here. Now the volume on the week after is higher. It's more volume, to the tune of, well, that's 280,000 in volume, and this is 328,000 in volume. However, if you look at the bar, you've got this big, let me just get an arrow, you've got this huge bar here. If I can grab my tool, you've got this huge bar here on this much volume. Is that right? No, on this much volume. Sorry, I apologize. On this much volume here. And then you've got this bar here, which is a bit anemic to me, on this much volume here. Now, and then as we've got this pin bar here, you've got the volume reducing. So what that's saying to me, if I'm analysing the volume, is we've got a divergence in volume and price. Price is still rising. First of all, price is giving us lesser movement with more volume, which doesn't add up if you know velocity. If you get more force, then you should get more distance. Well, that's not showing here. Okay, so this is why I'm going to keep an eye on this chart, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to abandon this pair just yet until we breach here, because this actually could be the line in the sand. But let's see what happens. I've been here 7 minutes, longer video than I expected, but I just wanted to show you that we've had a loss. Ladies and gentlemen, if price gets to here, I just want to say to you, this is not trading advice. This is for education only. So I don't want you to listen to what I'm going to say here. I don't want you to take trading decisions based on what I say. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader here showing you how I trade the markets. So please don't take my advice. Take financial advice from a qualified financial advisor. Okay, but this is what I think may happen. Catch you soon, traders, and look forward to seeing you soon. Come across and subscribe. Help your boy to grow this channel. Take care, traders.